Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the last puzzle in this puzzle page of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, May the 13th, 2023. I've already solved 3 puzzles. The Sudoku with 2 stars, the Killer Sudoku, the binary, and the last one is a Tectonic. Alright. Tectonic number. This will be number 6431. 6431. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here? No dual boxes. Triple boxes then. We see here triple box, only 1 triple box. Nope, 2 triple boxes. When you see a triple box, well, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. And when you see triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. So this box will be 4 or 5. Here also a triple box. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. So the 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. And the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. We already have a 5 in the same area, so this box should be a 4. Next question, do we have here quarter boxes? I see here a quarter box, here a quarter box. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. The next quarter box, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there, so 2 numbers left. 2 and a 4, let me mark those, 2 and a 4. And the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Oh, yeah, this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's 2 or 3. But we already have 3 there, so this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here, another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. And then the following shape, the last shape, this one. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this. Oh, no. We have one more. It's the same as this one, overlooked. It's rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Overlooked this one. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 3, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them. Shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. These two boxes can be a 2, so one box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Then these two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then these two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 5. These two boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. Then this box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And this box is connected with that box. So we have a 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 there. So it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box, yeah. So now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1 then. Okay, is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 3, this box can be a 5, so the 3 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Then, let me see, these two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 4. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be 1, this box can be 5, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in this area for number 2. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 here because we have a double 5 there. If I place the 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be there and the 2 goes here. two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 and 5, but we already have a 1 there, so it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 5, is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Final, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes, alright. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on Sunday. Until then, bye bye for now.